Welcome to Auto TurboWheels, and today we're diving into the masterpiece of engineering, luxury, and technology, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S680. This is not just a car, it's a rolling statement of wealth, status, and innovation, designed to push the limits of what a luxury sedan can be. The S-Class has always been the flagship of Mercedes-Benz, and with the 2026 S680, the brand has taken everything they know about comfort, performance, and prestige, and elevated it to a level that feels almost futuristic. The first impression of the 2026 S680 starts with its commanding presence on the road. The design is bold yet elegant, with a larger front grille that makes no attempt to hide its authority. The signature LED digital light headlamps are sharper, with adaptive intelligence that can project symbols and guidance directly onto the road. The body is sleek, with smooth flowing lines that give it an aerodynamic edge, yet it retains that classic S-Class profile that signals ultimate refinement. This is a car designed for those who want to arrive in style, whether chauffeured or behind the wheel themselves. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S680 delivers pure power and smooth performance. Equipped with a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 twin-turbocharged engine, this beast produces over 620 horsepower and an immense amount of torque, ensuring acceleration that feels effortless. Despite its size and weight, the S680 glides from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. The engine note is restrained, refined, and tuned for absolute smoothness, because in a car like this, silence and comfort matter just as much as speed. The 9-speed automatic transmission works seamlessly with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, giving the S680 an incredibly stable and commanding ride. Step inside, and the interior feels more like a private jet cabin than a car. The 2026 S680 sets a new benchmark in luxury interiors with its mix of the finest leathers, handcrafted wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting that can shift through 64 different colors. The seats are more than just seats. They are thrones, offering heated, ventilated, and massage functions with multiple programs designed to relax or energize passengers during long drives. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with executive lounge seating, extending leg rests, and even a built-in refrigerator for champagne storage. The Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers crystal-clear audio that immerses you completely, turning the car into a moving concert hall. The technology in the 2026 S680 is nothing short of jaw-dropping. The latest version of the MBUX infotainment system dominates the dashboard with a massive OLED central display, paired with a 3D digital instrument cluster and augmented reality head-up display. Everything is controlled through touch, gesture, or even voice commands with an AI that learns your preferences. Passengers in the rear also get their own entertainment screens with full connectivity, allowing them to stream, work, or even attend virtual meetings while on the move. Safety has always been a core strength of the S-Class, and the 2026 model pushes boundaries with semi-autonomous driving features. The S680 comes equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, meaning in certain conditions the car can handle driving tasks without constant driver supervision. Advanced driver assist systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, evasive steering assist, and automated parking. The car is also fitted with predictive safety measures, such as sensors that can detect an impending collision and prepare the cabin by tightening seatbelts, adjusting seats, and even raising the suspension to reduce impact force. The S680 also brings innovation in sustainability. While it still retains its iconic V12 engine, Mercedes has incorporated hybrid technology to enhance efficiency and reduce emissions. The mild hybrid system allows for smoother power delivery and regenerative braking, ensuring that performance doesn't come at the cost of environmental responsibility. What makes the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S680 truly stand out is not just the luxury or the performance, it's the way it blends both so seamlessly. This car isn't just about traveling from point A to point B, it's about the experience. Every journey in the S680 feels like a special occasion, whether you're driving yourself or being chauffeured. It's a car designed for world leaders, top executives, and those who expect nothing less than the absolute best. In the world of luxury sedans, competitors like the BMW 7 Series or Audi A8 exist, but none quite match the aura of the S-Class, especially the S680. This car is more than just a vehicle. It's an icon, a status symbol, and a piece of automotive art that continues to define what luxury driving means. So, if you're looking for the ultimate in comfort, technology, performance, and prestige, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S680 is the pinnacle. It's not just the flagship of Mercedes, it's the gold standard for luxury cars across the globe.